I've been working on study abroad applications for 16 years now, and I personally mentor every student one-on-one. My entire team consists of American mentors, and they help students write personal statements, research proposals, and speeches. So, in the whole process of team collaboration, it's divided into the following steps. First, my role is like a gatekeeper. Through consultations, I select high-quality students, or you could say families. Only students who meet our requirements will I help with their applications. The next step is that I personally guide the student through the preparation for the application. Drawing on my professional expertise and many years of living overseas, I use these skills to help them plan which countries to apply to, which schools, which programs, and how to go from a very basic starting point to meeting the requirements for direct PhD admission and ultimately receiving a direct PhD offer. During this period, I personally make various arrangements and preparations for the student. For example, when the student sends me the first draft of their materials, I review it to see if everything is complete. If anything is missing, I tell the student how to supplement it. In many cases, when students can't figure out how to write about their research interests, I give them some guidance and then it clicks for them. In addition, after the professor replies, if the professor raises a question and the student isn't sure how to respond, I act as the think tank behind the student all the way through to the interview and receiving the offer. So, throughout the entire application process, I am essentially like a second parent to the student. Every parent who enrolls their child tells me about their child and hopes that I will provide a lot of guidance. Since they already know I can help their child succeed in the application, they are even more eager for me to mentor their child and have a positive influence on them. They see how I speak, my abilities, my work efficiency, and how well I handle many things, so they also hope their child can learn from me. So I am always passing on these positive values to my students. Some of our students start out as complete beginners, like engineering majors who don't know how to communicate at all, but in the end they learn a lot of skills, are able to communicate with professors, and the professors end up really liking them. So my role isn't just as a study abroad advisor. I also personally guide students, helping them take the wheel and have a positive impact on their lives, even changing the course of their futures.